Welcome to Few-Shot Prompt Templates. In the previous video, we discussed simple prompts and prompt templates with OpenAI LLM using LangChain. What we covered in the last video is a perfect example of zero-shot prompt templates because we used a pre-trained model without any additional training. If you missed the previous video, you can find a link in the description for a detailed overview of prompt templates. In this video, we will begin by explaining what a few-shot template is, and then we'll dive straight into the code to see how to train a model with our own data. Now, let's learn about few-shot templates. In general English, few-shot refers to that only a few examples or efforts are needed to accomplish a task or understand a concept. For example, if someone learns a new skill with just a few practice sessions, they are demonstrating a few-shot learning ability. Few-shot learning is an innovative concept in machine learning that allows models to make predictions with only a small number of examples. Traditional learning methods often require large data sets with many labeled examples to achieve high accuracy. However, few-shot learning challenges this norm by enabling models to generalize from just a few instances. This method is particularly useful in situations where collecting extensive labeled data is difficult, expensive, or impractical. For example, in medical research, obtaining a vast number of labeled images of rare diseases can be a significant hurdle. Few-shot learning addresses this by requiring only a limited amount of data to make accurate predictions. By training models on a minimal data set, few-shot learning makes machine learning a more powerful tool in real-world scenarios where data is scarce. This approach not only saves time and resources, but also broadens the potential applications of machine learning across various fields. Now let's dive into a practical example of few-shot learning. Imagine we have an online store with multiple products and we need to add a new product description to our web page. Is it possible to do this automatically without human intervention? Yes, it is possible with a few-shot prompt template. Let me show you how. We start by constructing a prompt that includes a few existing products and their descriptions, along with the new product. Then, we invoke the OpenAI LLM model with this prompt. For example, first we have wireless headphones. The description highlights key features like crystal clear sound, noise cancellation, and a comfortable over-ear design. Next, we have a smartwatch. Its description focuses on staying connected with fitness tracking, message notifications, and a customizable display. Using these examples or trained data, the model learns how to craft effective product descriptions. Now, let's see how it generates a description for our new product or test data. The Bluetooth speaker. Now, let's move to the code and see how the model performs this task. In this video, also, we are going to use Google Colab Notebook for development. After opening the Google Colab Notebook, save the OpenAI API key in the secret section. Now let's load the OpenAI API key through the code. It's time to install the required libraries. I have already installed the libraries, so it shows requirement already satisfied. Here, we'll import the necessary packages. Now, let's use the same example we discussed a few minutes ago as our prompt. To reiterate, this is our training data for the model. We will pass the product name and description as examples for 2 products. Here, we will create a prompt template. It is time to create a few-shot template using the prompt template and the example we already prepared. Now let's see how to pass a user query or test data to the few-shot prompt template and create a prompt. We've prepared everything to invoke the OpenAI LLM model. Before we proceed, let's print the prompt and see the value available in it. Let's take a look at our input data: wireless headphones and smartwatch, each with a detailed description. This serves as the training data for our OpenAI LLM model. Our user query is for a Bluetooth speaker which doesn't have a description yet. Now, let's invoke the OpenAI LLM model and see what response we get. Before we proceed, let's initialize the OpenAI LLM model. The moment you've been waiting for is here. Let's break the suspense and see the response from the OpenAI LLM model. Here's the amazing response from the OpenAI LLM model. Bring the party with you wherever you go with our portable Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy high-quality sound and a long battery life, allowing you to listen to your favorite music anytime, anywhere. Its compact design makes it easy to take with you on all your adventures. Isn't that fantastic? The model has provided a detailed and enticing description for the Bluetooth speaker, perfectly capturing its portability, sound quality, and convenience. This is a great example of how few-shot learning can help generate accurate and appealing content. Now let's explore the token consumption for this prompt. There are several methods to do this, but in this example, we'll use the LangChain community library to invoke the OpenAI LLM model. This will give us insights into the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of our prompt usage. Now let's dive in and import the OpenAI model from the LangChain community library. Now let's initialize and invoke the OpenAI LLM model. Get ready to see the response from OpenAI LLM model. Now let's review the response generated by the OpenAI LLM model. The model provides a description for the user query Bluetooth speaker. This response used a total of 85 tokens, with 62 tokens for the prompt and 23 tokens for the completion. The output was generated using the GPT-3 5 Turbo Instruct model. With this, we'll wrap up the coding segment of this video. Let's move on to the questions section. In one of our previous videos titled Prompts, Simple Steps Lead to Big Results, we delved into the importance of tokens and their costs. If you missed it, don't worry, the link is in the description, so check it out. In our few-shot prompt template example, we showed how to use examples to craft new product descriptions. But here's a thought-provoking question. If you have 500 examples, would you use all of them to create a new product description? If you're thinking yes, consider the token usage and its cost. Just using 2 examples. The OpenAI LLM model consumes 62 tokens. Now imagine the token count and cost with 500 examples. So, what's the right approach? Would you choose the first 2 examples, the last 2, or pick them randomly? Think it over and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for new updates.